many returns of the day to charming young lady, my daughter Rashmi and Aashwasan. Rashmi and Aashwasan are synonymous to each other. I know Rashmi for last 15 years. She is a God's angel, a great friend, a noble soul, and a person who is always ready to help, ever smiling, a gift to all her friends and relatives. Rashmi's charming and unbiased and unselfish attitude makes a person, whoever comes in touch, to a different level of energy, and a very positive aura is spread around her. God bless her always. I wish all the best to Aashwasan and to reach many more heights. Thank you.